This is a 2012 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. Its top features include a sport suspension, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a leather dash, dual power seats, cruise control, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 23,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Phil Long Ford Lincoln Motor City is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1212 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs.